Make your Grand Tourer rooftop tent even better by adding a pair of genuine Adventure Kings crossbars. Built with lightweight alloy and measuring 1400mm wide, these maximise the amount of gear you can put up top. And they're tough too, made of 6061 T6 grade alloy and anodised so they're more scratch resistant and tough enough for anything you can throw on them. You can position them anywhere along the external rails on your Grand Tourer. They're ideal for long or bulky gear, or you can move them to the right distance apart to mount your solar panels or recovery gear. And because of the integrated slot system, it makes it incredibly easy to mount all your other accessories and gear too. And there's a slot not only on the top, but on the end as well. The mounts are low profile to minimise overall height and are made with 304 grade stainless steel and then powder coated for the ultimate in corrosion resistance. The included nuts and bolts are 304 grade stainless steel too. Make your Adventure Kings Grand Tourer rooftop tent even better by adding a pair of crossbars. They're lightweight, super tough, and make it easy to take your setup to the next level.